Hello and welcome to the SampsonSeating video tutorial. So first things first, when you open this up from test, and when you download this from test, you're going to see a folder like this, a compressed folder. So you want to just left click on that to highlight it, click extract, extract all, and choose where you want the location to be. I've already got mine unextracted there. So when I double click to open it, you'll see it opens up this black screen and takes a couple of seconds just to load up. And then we have the SampsonSeating. So the first thing you want to do is design your classroom layout. Now each square represents a seat for a student. So if you have a double desk, as most of them are, you just put two next to each other and there you go. So each desk will be put in the center of the room. If you suddenly decide that you have too many desks, you can delete the last one that you've created. This will only delete the last one that you've created, so if I click again, it will delete again the last one I created. Let's just add a load. It puts them all in the center of the room. Okay, so I'm happy. This is my classroom layout. It's a bit crazy, but there we go. Let's save that. So when you click save, it's going to open up the folder where you've extracted it to. Okay, so where you're opening the software from. So this is my external hard drive. Now I'm going to save a classroom layout. Let's call it classroom layout 1. And then I want to click save classroom layout. Right? That's my classroom layout done. So each time I can open this up and it'll look like this. Just to prove that. Oh, that's not what I want. Let's open it up again. You can see it's saved there. Let's just show that it is going to load it up correctly. So you click load. You can see it there, classroom layout, and there's only one load button. The program will automatically determine whether it's a seating plan or a classroom layout. Excuse me, so there we go. So when you want to add in some students, you need to click manage students, okay? So it gives you the prompt there to enter the students. Now this is the bit that really is time saving. So I've got here an example spreadsheet of students. There should be noticed that this is all fake data, obviously. But I'm going to copy all this across. Now right click copy or control C. This can be done from Sims, by the way. In fact, that's what the program was designed for. Now when you want to paste, you have to left click so you can see the cursor blinking, and then hold down control, press V. Okay. Make sure you've got surname, comma, first name. Click update and it automatically does first name and then just the first letter of the surname, and it randomly moves the students into seats. Okay, so say this is quite good, but I actually don't want Elizabeth sitting there. I want Elizabeth sitting over there. So you can just drag and move Elizabeth around as with anybody else. Or if you want a whole brand new one, you can click random students and it will distribute them randomly. So that's quite good. We want to add some more details. Or in fact, let's save it first. Let's save it. So let's call this plan 1. Now I want to save my seating plan this time. So save the seating plan. Let's open it up again and just make sure that's saved. So you can see plan 1 is there. Okay, it does take a little while to open. So plan 1, load, and there we go. So let's add some student details. So again, all this information can be got from Sims. So let's do PP first. So copy, PP, make sure the cursor's at the top, Control V to paste, make sure it all lines up. That looks good to me. So this column, the SEN status, this is the SEN status and not the SEN need, okay? So this is the code that you're looking for, the status. So we'll go back into the program, SEN status, cursor at the top, Control V. Medical, copy, cursor at the top, paste. Attainment, this is whether it's low, medium or high. Yours might have the words high, medium, low, which is fine. I'll just put in high there so you can see what happens. Copy, cursor at the top, paste, EAL. Notice I'm not copying the titles as well, I'm just copying the data here. Cursor right at the top and paste. Now I'm going to check and make sure that all my data is correct, which it is, and then I click update. Okay, so you can see that's done nothing. Or has it? Let's click Teacher View. So now you can see on the Teacher View all the different things there. So we can see that Coy is a middle attainer, Missy's PP and a mid attainer, Madison has a medical issue, Nisha has a medical issue, Spark has a medical issue. You can see which students are PP and which ones have the SEN codes. Okay, so again, we can just save that. We'll overwrite. So to overwrite something, I'm just going to left click on it so it highlights it down here and then save seating plan. Okay, so we'll open it up again just to show that it's saved. And there we go, all the student information as well. Now if you want to do a new seating plan, what I recommend you doing, close the program down, open it, right, load the classroom layout and then put the students in. Okay, you can do it loading the seating plan and then going to manage students and deleting them all. But there's a few issues with that, like when it comes to adding student details, so it's better just to close it down, open up the layout and start again. If you have any questions, feel free to comment under this video or contact me on Tess, or any feedback or any suggestions for future features. Thanks very much for taking the time to watch this. Bye.